Hello, this is Matt at Ag Diesel Solutions. Today we're here with a Volvo D13 engine and a 2014 semi, and we're going to install our heavy duty truck edition 35,000 module. Now we're going to take a closer look at where the connection points are for this particular semi. First we're going to hook up to the top ECM connector right here. A 7/16 is going to loosen up our power wire here on the alternator, and a 3/8 wrench will loosen up our ground here on the alternator housing. First we're going to unhook the ECM connection. It's a cam over connector. Plug ours right in where it came out of. It's keyed and will only fit one way. Plug the ECM back into our harness. And now we'll hook up power and ground. Okay, we've hooked up the ECM connections, power and ground to the alternator, and now all we have to do is hook up the module and the switch. First off is the module connection. And then if we follow the harness down, we'll find a pigtail with a 4-pin connector. Switch has 4 settings. All the way counterclockwise is stock. Then we have 30 horsepower, 60 horsepower, and 90 horsepower. Now that we've got all the connections made, we zip tied the module up here to some existing wire harnesses. This particular customer chose to leave the switch spooled up here next to the module under the hood. It is long enough to go ahead and run inside the cab. Always fasten your module with the connections facing down, so as you wash it, that connector doesn't collect water. Thank you.